Hi, welcome back on the Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble your LG G6. This operation can be helpful if you want to remove the battery or some other stuff like camera, charger port, jack port, or the motherboard. In my case, I'm gonna be changing this port charging. And now you need to have some tool to open the back cover and the hair dryer or something like that, which we're gonna hot the glass here, and after that we're gonna open it. So hot it. Okay, it's enough. Whoa, it's hot. It's hot. Just for now. Whoa, and it's open itself. Very easily. Very easily, my friend. Very easily. But be careful to do that because it's glass. You want to destroy it. Be careful. Whoa, did you hear that? It's some glue. I supposed that someone have been here before I open it. I suppose. Nice one. Okay. Really carefully with this fingerprint because it has some flecks. No, it hasn't, but yes, I suppose someone have been here because it's not original glue. Anyway, now you have only here a few screws to screw the back cover, and here you have a motherboard, camera, and the battery, so you can easily change any parts of this phone if you wish. But in my case, I'm gonna show you how to change the USB port, because its phone has a charging fault, so we need to replace that with the new one. It won't be hard. Okay. Whoops. That's it. And now we need to remove all the motherboard in it, because the charging port is under the motherboard. So anyway, we need to replace all the elements. Good for you, because you would see disassembly all the phone. Oh, we have one screw here. Yep. That's it. Wow. All the phone is here. So remove the flex from the downside and see that we can change the port without the removing all the... Yes, we can. Yes, we can. It should be has here some glue because it's water resistance. Oh, like you see. That's it. And this element has fault. It will be changing. So now I'm going to some portal to buy new one. This element. You can easily buy this element on something like AliExpress or something like that. Replace here with the new one like this. Then put the this cover of the NFC back here. Screw all the screw here like that. And then you should use a special glue like this and stick the glue around this glass here and just stick to your phone. Hold it for 20 hours and your repair gonna be accomplished. So for now I'm gonna show you my my logo here. Okay, and maybe some like button. I don't know where is it. Anyway, so I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.